Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with safety and access. Unplug the machine and lift the needle plus presser foot so thread tension relaxes. Remove the spool cap and unwind any thread stopping at the spool. That prevents snags. Reach into the bobbin compartment and pull out the bobbin and case, clearing all loose thread. Once done, trim frayed thread ends and inspect the thread path visually so you're ready to route fresh thread cleanly through the guides. Place your new spool on the spindle and secure with the cap so it spins freely but not wobbling. That keeps tension consistent. Feed the thread through the tension discs, then up into the T-cup lever hole, following the machine's numbered guides. This controls stitch tightness. Continue down through the final guide and thread the needle from front to back, leaving 3 to 4 inches of tail for pulling up the bobbin thread later. Make sure the T-cup lever moves as you slowly turn the handwheel. Wind a bobbin evenly and insert it into the bobbin case so the thread feeds in the indicated direction. This prevents reverse tension. Pull the bobbin thread through the slot and hold the upper thread. Gently turn the handwheel toward you to lower, then raise the needle so the upper thread catches the bobbin and pulls a loop up. Once both threads are out, replace the cover, plug in, and sew a test line on scrap fabric. If loops or puckering appear, slightly adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.